Well, hey guys, I've been using the spoon carving kit made by BeaverCraft. It's called the S14 spoon carving kit, and I have links to the kit below if you're interested. The kit consists of the long bent gouge, the 3-inch whittling knife, and the hook knife. Full disclosure, BeaverCraft did send this spoon carving kit to me. They asked me to try it out and make a project video, so I decided to make the coffee scoop and give my honest opinion about the tools. They aren't paying me to do this video, but they did furnish the carving knife set. Now overall, I'm pleased by the quality of the set. Out of the box, the knives were razor sharp. They're made from high carbon steel. The handles are good quality, although I still prefer the ergonomic design of the flex cut knife. But the handles of the BeaverCraft tools were good quality as well. The 3-inch blade on this knife is ideal for spoon carving. You see me carving a lot with maybe the shorter blades, and I use these primarily on caricature carvings. But the BeaverCraft tool set I would definitely recommend to the beginner or experienced wood carvers. The carving set is only about $50, maybe a little less with Amazon Prime. But then again, I don't recommend that you go out and buy every brand of wood carving knives, as that can get very pricey. So check out the links to the tools below. Check out BeaverCraft's website. They have an excellent YouTube channel with several video projects over there. And also keep the people of BeaverCraft in your thoughts and prayers because they're based in Ukraine. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.